Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, we are here today right now because your gal has a problem. I definitely have an addiction. And of course we stopped at TJ-Maxx. So today I am going to show off my TJ-Maxx haul. And you know, sometimes it's hit or miss. This time, Mama did good. Mama did good this time. I got some really good stuff. So I felt that I really definitely had to show and share with you guys. So, first things first, look what I got. Yeah, you're seeing that right. That is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. And guess how much I paid for it? I paid $19.99, and this normally retails for $45. Have you guys ever seen this palette? I actually haven't seen it before, but when I looked at the colors, beautiful. Ta-da! Gorgeous. I mean, look at that purple. Look at those bright, colorful mattes for when you just don't need the shimmer, but you need some color. And there's a shade here, right here, called Unicorn Tribe, because I am a unicorn, damn it. I am. I'm going to just swatch some of the favorite shades here because I am a little bit of a glitter whore, so I am going to swatch this shade called DDC. Oh, like butter. Oh, that's so beautiful. You know, Anastasia makes some of the best purples on the market. That is so pretty, so pigmented, and it just slid right on. I think I'll swatch the shade called Beyond too, the shimmery shade right here. It's not quite as shimmery as the other one, but it is still pretty poppin'. I'll swatch that again. It's still pretty pigmented, but it's not quite as oomph like the purple. But it's still blended really nice. Beautiful. All right, that's the first thing. The next thing I got, let's see what I'm gonna pull out here, is this bad boy. This is Marc Jacobs Sequins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow. Now, these retail for, I couldn't get an exact price, but it looked like they retailed for about $17. Maybe more, but that's what they're going for now on the Marc Jacobs website. Maybe when they came out, they went for more. But the glitter in these, it almost looks like a pressed glitter. The packaging looks like this, by the way. It almost looks like a pressed glitter, but it swatches like the most beautiful, shimmery, buttery eyeshadow you have ever seen in your life. Look at that. Blend it just a little so you can see it. Oh, it's just, I'm getting way too excited today. I'm really feeling like I hit pay dirt today. The next thing that I got is a Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And I think that these run for $20. Am I right? You can correct me if I'm wrong, but normally I think that they run for about $20. And this is in the shade Ballet Baby. And this is a lighter shade, so I'm not sure I'll get to use it a lot except as an eyeshadow topper, but that's most likely the point. I'm gonna swatch this for you. It is a very iridescent, beautiful shimmery shade. Can you see that there? Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, I love it. I got another Stila eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Sunset Cove. And this is also a very light shade, but it's dark enough where I think you could use it in the front crease. And it is a beautiful baby soft pink, and I cannot wait to try it. I don't usually wear pinks, but this has inspired me to wear some pink. the shade right here. Can you see that? Beautiful. Simply gorgeous. I am so in love. It's making me want to go out and purchase the Stila liquid eyeshadows. I've been holding it off because to me, $20 for one eyeshadow, it's rough for me to pay for it. Especially something sticky on my eyes, which I don't usually like. But we're gonna try this out. Oh, by the way, these were $7.99. And this Marc Jacobs was also $7.99. So from $20 roughly to $7.99. Not bad. Not bad at all, I say. The next thing I got is another Marc Jacobs sequins in the shade Blitz. And this is a metallic-y purple. Oh gosh. Pardon me, guys. I get really, really excited very, very easily. It's almost like a brownish purple. And it's so pretty. It just swatched so beautiful. You see that there? See that? Mama likey. Still going. We still got more stuff. I got some brushes. These brushes aren't from a super bougie brand or anything like that. I think that they sell these at Target. I don't think they're super expensive. But these brushes were only $4.99, and it has a flat brush, an angled brush, a pointed brush, and what looks like a concealer blush. So I thought for $5, why not? It's from a brand called Dabney Lee. And if you know what they usually retail for, let me know. It doesn't really say back here, but they look like nice soft bristles. Why don't we open them now and see if they are actually nice? Just rip that shit open. That's right. All right. Oh, it's very nice. Ooh, now does she blend? Can she blend the eyeshadow? Oh, yes, darling. Not bad. For $5, totally worth it. Very excited about that. And we're still going. The next thing we got is, well, it's not makeup, but it is a color-changing Harry Potter mug because I love Harry Potter and you know I love my coffee. So here it is. It's all black. It's got the Harry Potter logo. And then when you put something hot in it, it turns into Hogwarts. The only thing I don't like about this mug is that it's a little small for my liking because I like to have a big heaping cup of coffee. I know this was a short video, but we do have one more item. This one's also very exciting. You ready? Look what I got! That's right, it's an Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, which also retails for $45. And I know that this wasn't one of her most popular palettes, but I don't really understand why, because the shades in here, I guess if you aren't really a huge fan of playing with color, I can see it, but this palette is absolutely beautiful. This whole top row, minus the white, is shimmers, and a lot of them are duochromes. And then we have all these bright popping mattes down here. And of course, the ABH brush, which a lot of people hate, but I don't know, I think they work okay. I think they work better than some of those cheap China brushes. So I'm just gonna swatch a couple of these shades here because I think they are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch Mediterranean, which is this purplish blue shade here. Oh, that's so pretty. Right here. Gonna swatch this gold shade, which is called Inheritance, and this silver shade, which is called Seaside. Seaside, Inheritance. beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at my fingers. I think that I need to swatch the seashells too, which is this lighter blue here, this teal. Looks like that. And then when swatched, well, you can't really see it there, can ya? When swatched, it looks like that. Oh, look, we made a mess again playing with color. Now, one more thing I got. This is not the exciting thing. I already showed you all the goody good stuff, but I did get one more thing. I am trying to get better at a winged liner. That is my Achilles heel. It is definitely the one thing that has been giving me trouble for a really, really long time. And some of the tutorials that I've been looking at, and I even signed up for like this kind of pseudo makeup certification thing. It said that the secret to a good winged liner is to a good brush. So they had this buxom winged liner lash brush for $5. It retails for $15. Came in a box that looks like this. Came in a cute little bag that looked like this. A little pleather bag here. Looks like vegan leather, as they would say. And the brush looks like this. Super swanky. Has a really, really nice point. It's firm, but not too firm. It's also not too thin. It's got a really, really nice point to it. I'm really, really excited to see if I can do a little better and see if what they are saying is true. I've also been watching Glow Up, and they kind of said the same thing. They said that the brush and everything else is key. So there it is. I will experiment with this in a later video. I also will have a later video where I bought the vamp stamps. Have any of you guys heard of those? I bought them. We're going to try them. We're going to play at a later date. All right, everyone. Thank you. If you like these types of videos, if you like to see makeup, if you like to play with makeup like I do, like and subscribe to my channel. There will be so many more videos to come. So once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you next time.